When you're looking to purchase renter's insurance, you need to ask several important questions. These questions will help you get the right policy at a great price. I'm Eric, the founder of Effective Coverage for Renters, and in this video, I'll share what questions you need to ask when buying renter's insurance. The first question is to make sure you can move your renter's insurance to another apartment. Most of the time, the answer is yes, especially if you're working with a major national provider like Effective Coverage. Companies like us can write you a policy in Silver Spring, Maryland, and then if you decide to transfer jobs and need renter's insurance in Rockville, no problem. Also, if you find out if your policy is not transferable, that's a red flag that you might not be getting a traditional renter's insurance policy. Another important question is to check and make sure your personal property is covered. Just because the personal property limit on your policy is large enough to cover all of your items does not mean all of your property is covered. Certain carriers limit some classes of property like jewelry or even electronics to a small portion of the total limit. The last thing you want to happen is have your iPhone, laptop, and TV all stolen and then realize there's a $1,000 sublimit on electronics for loss by theft. That wouldn't even come close to covering your losses. And how about finding what the payment options are for the renter's insurance? Some carriers will only take one payment in full, while others spread it out in some variation of monthly, quarterly, or semi-annual payments. You need to remember that while level monthly payments may be more convenient, they could be more expensive because of service charges. And of course, you should ask what their customers say about filing a claim. A few renter's insurance carriers are unfortunately notoriously troublesome when it comes to filing claims. We suggest you check with J.D. Power's claim satisfaction surveys and see how your provider stacks up. Want to find out more about getting great renter's insurance coverage and asking the right questions? Stay tuned for more in our series of Insurance Answers for Renters, and feel free to submit your question to Effective Coverage. Don't forget that you can get renter's insurance at effectivecoverage.com or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.